The notion that you get drunk faster if you drink through a straw is based on two ideas. First, that you drink faster through a straw than if you were sipping your drink, and second, that by sucking you create a vacuum which encourages the alcohol to turn to vapor, making it easier to absorb. It is true that inhaling alcohol vapor gets people drunk very quickly. However, the amount of vapor created by drinking with a straw is tiny, and as long as you drink at the same speed, there should be no difference in how quickly you get drunk.